Hi, welcome to HouseFlippingSpreadsheet.com. You're watching a quick video tutorial to learn the basics of building a cost estimate using the Repair Cost Estimator. The Repair Cost Estimator is pre-built with 24 scopes of work and roughly 400 common work items and unit prices that you will find on a typical rehab project. These scopes of work item descriptions, and unit prices are all completely customizable, so you can customize the Repair Cost Estimator to fit your specific project and business needs. To customize the scope of work titles, simply delete, type over, and replace the existing scope of work with your own custom scope title and description. To start estimating your repair costs, you will need to click and open the scope of work you are wanting to estimate. Simply click the button next to the scope of work in the summary dashboard, or scroll down and click the scope bar to display the detailed estimate database for that particular scope of work. To close the scope of work, simply re-click the button or the scope bar to collapse and close the detailed estimate information for that scope of work. Now let's quickly discuss each component of the Repair Cost Estimator and how it is used to estimate your repair costs. The description of work column is used to describe the work that is being performed. Each scope of work is pre-built with common work items and descriptions, but you can change, type over, or delete these items as needed for your particular project. The quantity column is where you'll input the quantity of work needed to be performed. This quantity amount is based upon your field measurements of the property. So for example, if you needed bathroom floor tiling installed, you would measure the bathroom floor area to determine the total square footage and then enter that square footage amount as the quantity. The unit column describes the unit of measure used to quantify the work. Construction work is measured and quantified using different units of measure, so in our previous bathroom example, the floor tiling is measured and quantified in square feet, while baseboard trim is typically measured by the lineal foot, and plumbing fixtures might be measured or quantified by each particular item. The unit prices section is where you can input your unit prices for labor, material, and subcontracted work. Our repair estimator includes a database of unit prices based upon the national average, but we recommend that you review and change the unit prices as needed to fit your particular project and your local market. Once you input your quantities and your unit prices, the Repair Cost Estimator multiplies those quantities by the unit prices to calculate the total labor, material, and subcontracted costs for each item and scope of work. The estimate totals for each scope of work, labor, material, and subcontracted work in the entire project are then summarized at the top of the spreadsheet. If you want to hide this summary dashboard at the top, you can simply click the hide icon to hide the summary and re-click the icon to redisplay the summary dashboard. Once you complete your estimate for the project, you can factor in adders such as location modifiers, add in permit costs, contractor's overhead and profit, and an estimating contingency. This total adders value is then added to your subtotal estimate to calculate your total estimate for the project. To ensure that you've created a complete, thorough, and accurate estimate, scroll down and check out the estimating checklist, which has a step-by-step checklist for your estimate. If you do have any additional questions or concerns about estimating costs, click the help icon in the upper right-hand corner, which has some additional tips and tutorials for estimating your repair costs. And of course, you can always shoot us an email or give us a call if you need further assistance. We thank you for watching and wish you the best of luck.